Upgrade your home workouts with my top gear picks. Check the description for links to the best HIIT workout mat, home workout guide, gym equipment, push-up gear, and body fat measurement device. Click now and transform your fitness routine. Let's continue to the main topic. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into calisthenics skills that will take your home workout game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering these fundamental moves can redefine your fitness journey. First up, let's talk about the classic push-up. It's not just about reps, but perfecting your form for maximum gains. I'll show you how slight adjustments can target different muscle groups, making each push-up count. Next, we'll explore bodyweight squats, perfect for building lower body strength. These exercises are essential for anyone looking to turn their legs and improve overall stability. Learn the correct stance and depth to get the most out of every squat session. Moving on to planks, the ultimate core strengthener. Discover variations that challenge your abs and obliques while improving posture and stability. From standard planks to side planks, we'll cover techniques to ensure you maintain proper form and see real results. Now, let's amp up the intensity with burpees. This full body exercise not only boosts cardiovascular fitness, but also enhances endurance and burns calories like no other. Follow my tips to perform burpees efficiently and avoid common pitfalls. Finally, we'll wrap up with pull-ups, a challenging yet rewarding exercise for upper body strength. I'll guide you through progressions that cater to different fitness levels, helping you build towards achieving your first pull-up or mastering advanced variations. Remember, consistency is key. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Ready to take your calisthenics skills to new heights? Let's get started.